Hello students and aspirants, in this video I am going to teaching you rule number 6. What is rule number 6? Just look at this pattern. Number unit noun, number unit noun or number unit adjective. Number unit noun or number unit adjective. In this format, do not change the unit. Do not change the unit. Let's see some examples, then only you can understand about this rule. Okay. 5-year-old. Here 5 is a number. Year is a unit. Old is a adjective. The format is number unit adjective. This sentence is correct. Do not use unit into plural form. Years. Years is incorrect. Years is incorrect. And here is correct. 5-year-old. That is correct. Same as 10 rupee note. 10 is a number, rupee is a unit and note is a noun. Here don't put rupees. Rupees is incorrect. Rupee is correct. Number unit. In the previous concept there is noun or adjective present near number unit format. But in this concept, in a sentence, number and unit format only present. Then to check, the sentence is self-explanatory and not self-explanatory. What is self-explanatory? Self-explanatory is about, I am saying about myself. I am talking about myself. So that is self-explanatory. What is not self-explanatory? Not self-explanatory, which means the sentence is saying some information about others. It denotes other person. They will say some information, saying some things. That is not self-explanatory. We see some example, then you can understand. But to note that for not self-explanatory, use singular unit. For self-explanatory, to use plural unit. See this example, he had 5 dozen. He had 5 dozen. It is not self-explanatory sentence. So here we use singular unit because it is not self-explanatory sentence. I have 5 rupees. I have 5 rupees. It is a self-explanatory sentence. I am saying I have 5 rupee coins, 5 rupees, some amounts. It is about myself. So it is self-explanatory sentence. For self-explanatory we use plural unit. For self-explanatory we use plural unit. So you can able to understand when number and unit present in a sentence to check whether the sentence is self-explanatory or not self-explanatory. If the sentence is self-explanatory, to use plural unit. Whether the sentence is not self-explanatory, to use singular unit. And thanks for watching this video. We will see next rule in another video. Thanks for watching.